Here's Temu app, team up, price down. This app is climbing to the top charts in like shopping category, also in the overall apps on the US App Store, which is pretty crazy. And I think during this holiday season, it will be one of the top apps. And there are so many deals for Black Friday, for all these Christmas offers and all of that. Exclusive Black Friday offers waiting for you, say up to 70% off. But it's not only for holidays, it's just interesting app. So here first you just open an account, you can enable notifications. I really suggest you to do so because there are so many coupons, there are so many like deals and all of this order status. But here you just have, basically it's like, Amazon. You just can buy all the stuff you want. You have free shipping on all orders, promotion, free returns within 90 days. So you can browse and just buy some interesting shoes or some interesting elements and all of that. There are some coupons. You can just browse it, all these deals, and then just add them to your shopping cart, or add like these sneakers, for example, or whatever. So you can see the sizes here, and then just select color. So and then you can see what's inside of my cart. So it's like very easy to use app, interesting design. It's like, you can see all these categories: car, audio and video, kitchen appliances, all these in other products, women's clothing, toys, games, electronics, beauty and health, automotive, office and school. So here you can see my account. There are all these promotions, different types of clothing. You can see items in the cart. You want to check out. There is always some kind of promotion. You can see which you have options to pay here. Then there is your account. So that's basically that. You can always reach out to their support. So that's basically how you can do it. If there is no answers, you can always reach out to customer service support here. So something like that. It's super easy to create an account. It's also super easy just to delete an account if you want to. Just can sign up with Google, Facebook, Twitter, or Apple. I just signed up with Apple IDs because it's like super fast. So there's that, and then there is home. You can see all of that. Just very like home stuff, clothing, all the home appliances, all the stuff you need in home or for a gift. It's like super easy. Just all the kind of weird stuff you can buy in this app. You can see all the bestsellers. Kind of very easy to use app. There is not that much buttons. It's just good for gifts, good for Christmas, like all of that. And there are all kinds of items and bestsellers here in this app. If you're a bit annoyed of Amazon, or I don't know, and you want some fresh eye on some interesting products, this is definitely the app you can check out. So thank you for watching.